All right, so back to where I left off. I think the video ended. Now we have price pushing into this demand. It goes up, push back down, goes up, pushed even further down. That gives us more confirmation that this, if price should come anywhere close to this area, this demand is not going to hold anymore. This is only per spending time on the charts, you realize this happening all the time. I don't know if there's any definition for this one, but it's more like price is failing to break this low. Right now, on the other hand, this becomes a protected low with manipulated highs. And what do we know by that? That means we're having a distribution, right? So price will come, sweep this demand, and then give us a retracement of some sort, depending on what kind of distribution this forms, and then continue down. Right. So we have a distribution forming here. So that gives us more confluence to the fact that we are actually changing direction, right? And not going all the way up to this to into this area. We might come up here, but not until we've taken this loop. Just like it happened. What was it? Just like it happened here. Yep. Just like it happened here, right? When I was supposed to take this high before coming down, but we built internal liquidity here, two strong areas of liquidity. We swept that liquidity before pushing further down. And where did we have our reaction? Somewhere in a breaker block. As you can see, we have this breaker block here. Perfect reaction to the downside. All right. So it's the same thing we're looking at here. I was looking to go on to explain what Kofi had put on the chat, but I don't want to go there and confuse anyone, right? So I wanted to add something before that other video ended. So I think for now we have like 5 different points or factors confirming that we're going bearish. So we're going to go down and then look for our bearish entries, right? Now, also, if we look at price, this is how the day started. This is Friday. This is Monday, right? So that's going to fall. This is so Sunday, Monday, right? Now, we have some sort of consolidation here, then price pushed up, manipulation. So we're looking for price to expand downwards, right? Now, if you consider this one as our Monday candle from 1 a.m., then we had a bearish move and price is going up. So like I'm saying, if we have price coming all the way down here into this demand, we're going to break it up. But let's see how price plays. So let's go on the 1 hour and see what's happening here. Where are we? Sorry. So assuming we have price changing directions, right? We have our break of structure, we have our high. Now we're looking for an area for a liquidity sweep, right? So oh, I hear you. Okay, there's one 5 minutes because that our structure was in 1 hour. So we have we're looking for a high with So a supply with a very high. We're looking at this. So internally, we have this. This is our high. This is our low. We have internal liquidity. We have another high. This is our low. Right. Now we're looking for where we're expecting price to sweep. And definitely this one. We swept that. Now we have a break of structure where we're looking for high supply. Okay. All the way up. Let's see this. All right. So let's see how price reacts within this area, and then we'll try to find somewhere to go low. All right, so let's look at it this way. I think last night around 10, I caught this buy from here because I was looking at price after sweeping this low. I was looking at price after sweeping this low, give me some sort of break of structure, which was this one, right? Then we had liquidity here. So I caught this buy from here. That was Sunday, so I wasn't really looking to do it. I was just there. It was just for some shenanigans. Now, if this is the case, then we have our low here. We have a break here. This is all internal. So where is our high demand? We're looking to break this. Right? And we have this as well. Being within the range. That's fine. You can choose any of them. Now, what are we looking at? We're expecting price to take this high. And then maybe that's if we're considering any bullish momentum, right? So if I decide to go bullish, I would expect price if I want to go bullish, I'll wait for price to sweep this high. Because we have a low here. All right. I'll wait for price to sweep this high before looking for buy entries to the upside, right? I would want to see more confirmation before buying because we have a lot of factors telling us we're going down. Okay. So I'll wait for price to give me this break of structure, and then I'll start looking for buys. All right. Now, let's look at sell setups. Price is too choppy here. It's hard to actually identify which areas to look at. If I was of the conviction that we were going bullish, then we would have equal highs, some sort of consolidation here. So the moment price breaks this high, I put this and then go up. That's if we have a conviction of continuing further up. This would have been my setup, stop order, right? Or wait for a break and retest. But because I know we're going down, I'm not looking to just buy off these kind of setups. So let's see if we have anything that will give us some sort of confirmation to sell in the sell setups. So this is like lower time frame. So we have this. Right? Let me clear this. We have this. We have this small. We have a small distribution. Right? So this becomes a strong high for me. Right? On the lower time frame though. Now then this one becomes my point of liquidity. I have to go there. This becomes okay, this is the low, this is the next highest. This is the next highest. Okay, well, it's what to the next highest. It's what to the next okay, right. So price is not really clear here. I'll try to take my time and look for a proper sell setup. If not, we would have to wait for price to give us more clarity, right? Let's look at the 15 minutes. We'd have to wait for price to give us more clarity. We'd have to wait for the distribution to complete, which is price coming all the way down here, and then we'll look for our entry. All right. If we're to look for an entry from here, we would be gambling because I don't see any clear setup here. So if I do find one, I'll share.